classic Chevy grille. Cool details. This also uses body pins as well. I might take a look at replacing these body pins with something else just to clean up the look there. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to take a look at unboxing these two Axial SCX24s. Now what I have here is the SCX24 Deadbolt from the first release of the SCX24. And what we have here on the right side is the latest SCX24, the Chevy C10. The earlier Deadbolt came in two different colors, a green and a red. This SCX24 Chevy C10 comes in this gray color as well as a teal color. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Deadbolt first. Alright, so here we've got the Deadbolt, and we'll open it up and take a look later. Take a look at the box first, the packaging. Here you can see the two different colors for the Deadbolt version of the SCX24. Some of the features included. It's got warm gears. It's got a nice chassis, shocks, and there's the other side. So these are ready to run vehicles, so they include everything that you need to run this. Now let's go take a look at the Chevy. Here we can see the Chevy. See here, it comes in two different colors. So in the specifications, again, pretty much the same thing as the Deadbolt. Once again, the two different versions of the Chevy. And these are ready to run. You'll see that there are a few differences in the chassis specifications between the Deadbolt and the Chevy. Okay, let's go ahead and take an in-depth look at the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. Here's the SCX24. Inside here, we've got the batteries for the radio, some extra links, instructions. I'll open this a little later. Bottom of the box, we've got the charger, and we've got the radio. So this is an Axial AX4 radio. Probably no frills. I think this here opens up. Yep. And there you've got your dual rate, probably your channel 1 trim, on off, some switches there. Alright, so once again, it comes with some extra links and drive shaft parts as well. Extra body pin. The batteries for your transmitter. Allen wrench. Connector guide. And your SCX24 manual. And once again, this is ready to run. And it does come with everything you need to run out of the box. So it uses a USB charger. And basically just plug it into a USB adapter, outlet adapter, and the battery should be in the truck. Let's take a look at that. It's a hinge design. Yep, the battery is there in the truck. In just a moment, I'll take this out and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so here we have the SCX24 Deadbolt. Tires seem pretty sticky. There's nothing, they're pretty empty. No foams or anything like that in them. It's an axle mounted servo right there. Once again, this is a hinge design, so it does have a rear hinge system. There's the battery tray. The transmission's right there in the middle, as well as the motor. Little tiny brushed motor there. Here's the ESC receiver. It's a 2-in-1. And let's just kind of see the performance aspects of it. As others have noticed, the suspension is pretty bouncy out of the box, so there are a few things that other YouTubers have shown to kind of slow that movement down, like adding grease in the shocks, which I will probably do. So it's also got 2 LEDs in the bumper here. So pretty cool. And you'll see the suspension there. It's got good articulation, pretty decent for a micro rig. Alright, now let's go take a look at unboxing the Chevy and do a comparison between the two. Alright, time to open up the Chevy and take a look. It should be pretty much the same as the Deadbolt. Okay. There we go. The Chevy is out. Same thing as the Deadbolt, batteries, extra links, and drive shaft parts, and the instructions right there. And the AX4 radio. So everything else is the same. Once again, extra link parts and drive shaft parts. Allen wrench, an extra body clip, connector guide, and manual. Pretty much the same. Okay, so let's look at the Chevy. It's got a nice roll bar here. You know, pretty cool. It's also got LEDs in the bumper. Nice hard plastic Chevy grille. Cool details. This also uses body pins as well. I might take a look at replacing these body pins with something else just to clean up the look there. Really like this body. I mean, this is really nice and scale looking. You look at the rear bumper here, and this is also a rear hinge opening mechanism. Once again, axle mounted servo. You can see here the 2-in-1 receiver ESC, the LiPo battery, and the brushed motor, ladder frame. Take a look at those axles here. Nice looking axles. Once again, just tires glued onto wheels. No foams or anything like that. So, you know, still room for tuning, but it definitely should be pretty capable for a little small rig. And once again, you can see here that the shocks are a little bouncy. Opportunity for tuning by slowing that down. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the differences between the Deadbolt and the Chevy. You can see here that the Chevy wheels are tires are smaller than the Deadbolt. You can see there. So yep, much smaller. And you can also see that the Chevy, well, the body itself might be riding a little bit lower than the Deadbolt, so it might have a better center of gravity here. But yeah, those are the differences, just the body and the wheels and tires. So here's the wheels for the Deadbolt and the wheels for the Chevy. And you can see the size difference between the tires. So it'll be interesting to see the performance difference between these two out on the rocks. Really excited about getting these, and actually excited about kind of modding these and seeing what these can do and what they're capable of. So, you know, I mean, I've resisted jumping into this 24th scale market for a while now, and you know, I couldn't hold off any longer. I had to do it. I mean, especially with this Chevy that came out. Really like the looks of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos from Revolution XRC.